Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 20 of the Barnhouse renovation. I said I'd get here day number 20, and we have definitely managed to get a lot done. The biggest thing we've managed to get done is we've got all of our insulation in. We had to do a little bit of framing around the door. We had to replace some rot, but all that insulation is in, including over here in the corner. And as you can see over here, we've got our drywall going in. And for me, putting the drywall in is a huge step. We talk about milestones in projects, and definitely when you're dealing with drywall, that's a huge milestone. It just cleans everything up, and it really just starts to feel like a room. So that's where we're at. We've managed to get the ceiling in. We've managed to get some of the walls in, and a lot of yesterday was really, we're on the second floor here, just getting that drywall up here. And so we've got 5-inch fire rock on the walls, and then we've got 1/2 inch on the ceiling. But the 1/2 inch is pretty easy to move around, but this 5/8 stuff, that's heavy. So here's just a quick shot. We were trying everything we could to kind of get up there, and we had to get 20 sheets up. So we put the scaffolding down, and we just kind of got a little conveyor belt system going there. But it was a conveyor belt with people. It wasn't conveyor belt mechanical or anything like that. So we managed to get the 20 sheets of it in, and there they are sitting out there. And then our 1/2 inch over there, which is on the walls. And so it's going along great. It's going along fast. A lot of the biggest help here is this ProLine lift here. This is a drywall lift. Just a couple shots. I mean, this just makes it so much easier to get all of the ceiling boards up, especially if you're running one person. And so this has been a kind of a solo part of the project for me right now. And then the other thing is, when we're going to get over here in this, this angled pitch section here, this drywall lift, it allows you to basically flip them up and in place, and it'll bend and it'll actually contour to the ceiling. So that's going to be huge. That's it, day number 20. We're going to call this pretty much the halfway point, or hopefully the halfway point of this project, fingers crossed, because we got to get in here, and it's still winter outside. It's warming up a little bit here, but we want to get in here. We want to get it all sealed up, and then this is just going to become an extension in a workspace, because we've been super busy here, and we just really need the room to kind of get things going on. So thanks for checking in. If you got any questions about anything, please ask, and again, subscribe, leave a like. That goes a long way. It's really appreciated. And if you have any projects coming up, here we are coming into spring. Do you have any spring projects you need to get done? If so, jump on over to my punch list page. You can put in a project, you can put in a punch list, whatever you want to do, I'll help you out. And if I can't help you out personally, well, then I'll help you find somebody who can. So that's it. Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you all next time.